Now, guys, in this chicken, egg white, and cabbage protein shake, homemade protein shake with spring water, there's 100 grams of protein in that protein shake. That homemade protein shake is better than any of the powders you buy on the Dischem or any of the injections. There, right there in one shake, there's 100 grams of protein. This is how it works. Now, this protein, guys, is also zero fat, zero spices, zero. It's just 100% clean protein and vegetables. You see here, and then you just go down there and you you just go in there a little bit. Now, as I say, I always like to do things twice. So we'll take a short little break and then just back in there just for a quick one. You see there, and then it comes out like that. 100 grams of clean protein, fat free, spice free. 100 grams of clean protein, baby.